So hi all, today we will talk about the delete statement. So the delete statement is actually used to delete rows from a specific table, and the syntax is quite simple. It's delete from the table name, then the where clause and a condition. So the condition actually is going to specify the row which will be deleted, and similar to the update statement, if the where condition is omitted, all the rows inside the table are going to be deleted. So let's go for the SQL Server Management Studio, and we can see now that we have the employee table and it has 3 records. And if we want to remove a specific record, so let's say that we want to remove the Sandra Bull, so it will delete from the employee and then specifying the condition of the Sandra Bull row. So the ID is going to be 1010. So if we perform this query, we will see that we have only one row affected. And if we query the employee table now, you can see that we have only 2 rows. So the second option is that we want to delete all the rows inside the table. So it will be simply delete from the employee, and we will not specify any condition. So if we execute this command, we can see that we have 2 rows affected. And if we query the employee table, we can see that it's empty. So that's all for our video today. Kindly like our video and subscribe to our channel to get all new videos. And you can also leave comments on our videos to suggest any enhancements, and we will respond as soon as possible. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.